Today was meant to be a clear day. The weather forecast said blue skies and sunshine. Instead, we've got the perfect storm for a window installation. Brilliant.
Honestly, I thought it was going to be straightforward, but now I'm not even sure we'll be able to get it fitted.
And if it doesn't go on today, we might have to wait another week, which I don't want.
The guys turned up, but we came across another challenge.
So I've had an absolute nightmare. Before we even started the windscreen, we've got a big problem. We've got no power, absolutely nothing. No click, no flash. The car's been sat there for a while, waiting for parts, and the battery's decided to tap out completely at the wrong time. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Basically, I've locked myself out of my own project.
Now, at this point, most people would call it a day, but we're not most people. We've got to get power to the battery. We can't open the bonnet, and the bonnet release is inside. So we needed to find another way. So the guys had one of those moments where you can actually see the brain power active. They came up with a plan, slightly sketchy, slightly genius, to get into the car through the windshield.
So guys, we have finally got the door open. Now, shout out to these guys. They got in through the front of the windscreen, and now we can actually get the window fitted. If it wasn't for them, we would not have got this done today. And for anyone needing window replacing, I've left all their contact details in the description box below. I don't know why they've made cars that you cannot get in with no electrics. Anyway, we are finally getting on to repair the front windscreen.
Now that's a sore sight for the eyes. Crisis averted, lessons learnt. Always keep your battery topped up. Now, time to get the windscreen fitted.
Here's the question today. What is the most ridiculous thing you've ever had to do to get into your own car? This is looking superb, considering we almost had to cancel an hour ago. Would you have gone ahead in this weather, or would you have waited for sunshine? Let me know in the comment section down below who is on team wait it out and who is on team get it done. Rain 0, the rebuild 1. So pleased we got everything done. I'm looking forward to the result.
And here is the end result. What an amazing look. Look at the glaze, look at the shine. Thank you.
I want to give the guys SA Glass Repairing a massive shout out. If it wasn't for these guys, we wouldn't have got this done today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, you're welcome.
I've left all their contact details in the description box down below. If you need any window repairing in Birmingham area,
Leicester as well, Manchester, Leamington Spa, anyway, close to the Birmingham.
give them a shout. These are the main guys. Robin has got a brand new window screen. We are one step closer for getting her back on the road. Next up, I am going to tackle the front end cooling system. Guys, wish me luck, because I'm gonna need it. The deal was simple. 1,950 for the complete body kit. Front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, all the trims. We are picking it up today. Everything I need to bring Robin back to life. But here's the catch. The seller is going on holiday in 3 hours. It is his last kit in stock. So we need to hurry, get up to Nottingham and pick up this body kit. And here we have it, on the way to Nottingham to pick up the body kit. Cannot wait. Big shout out to my mate Jamie, absolute legend. He's giving up his Sunday morning to drive me up, collect the body kit from Nottingham. This will only take a couple of hours, but knowing my luck, it could turn into an all-day thing. We are on the clock. The seller said he's flying out this afternoon, and if we get stuck in traffic, that is it. Game over. I can't believe it. We've hit traffic. This looks bad. Are we gonna make it? I do not know. We finally made it to Nottingham, and you never really know what you're turning up to when you buy things on eBay. We are basically playing Tetris. I didn't realize how big this thing actually was. This is one part of the plan I didn't think through. The kit's here, but the garage is full. Look at this front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, even the headlights. Everything here for the SVR rebuild. I also have body panels for the Bentley Continental GT. So I have everything I need right here. Honestly, I couldn't have done it without Jamie's help. Absolute hero. I want you guys to drop a comment saying, cheers, mate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The red warning light completely gone off. I broke down on the motorway.